You shouldn't have to choose between panicking alone or rushing to an emergency vet at midnight. You deserve answers, calm, and support, exactly when your heart needs it. NYP Televet gives you unlimited messaging with real vets, reassurance when you spiral, guidance when something feels off, peace of mind, day or night. You're not supposed to navigate worry alone. We're right here, whenever you need us.